First, let's talk about wax. Choosing the right wax is crucial, especially for larger body parts. Today, we're using Wax Bear Swiss Gold, designed specifically for larger strip applications. This wax is not only effective but also time efficient. The beauty of it lies in its ability to apply multiple strips simultaneously without the worry of breakage once it cools off. This feature streamlines the waxing process, saving you time and ensuring a smooth application for a more efficient experience. Obtaining wax for large strips. Now, to scoop the perfect amount for those larger strips, dip about 1/3 to 1/4 of the stick into the wax, entering at a 45-degree angle. As you withdraw, the wax on the stick should resemble a honeycomb shape. This ensures a generous application for maximum coverage. Applying large strips. Whether you're waxing your legs, arms, or any other larger body part, the technique is key. Cleanse the area, making sure it's dry and free from lotions or oils. For a perfect application, drag the wax using the long edge of the stick, maintaining a 90-degree angle. Slightly tilt the stick at about a 15 to 20-degree angle and apply a good amount of pressure. This angle not only ensures precise application but also allows for broader coverage on larger areas. Follow the direction where the tip of the stick is pointing, and you'll achieve an even and effective application every time. Apply with confidence, making sure the entire strip adheres to the skin. And remember, always follow the direction of the hair growth for the best results. Removal and finishing touches. Now, let's talk about removal. This is where the magic happens. Get a good grip on the strip, hold the skin taut, and pull against the direction of the hair growth. We believe in segmented removal. Reposition your hands during the process, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. Remember, don't pull up, pull along the skin for the best results. For more pro tips, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy waxing!